Understanding the relationship between IT services and CMDB can be complex. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what IT services are and how configuration management and the CMDB works together. And I'm going to explain all this in less than 5 minutes. What are IT services? So services always start with a customer and a customer's want or need. And we provide those services back to the customer. Now, what's underneath each of these services is a series of components: people, process, technology, IP, and logic, plus a myriad of other things that come together as components to deliver that service. But these are fundamentally the key components of service components to deliver the service. Now we package all those together in terms of service delivery, and that produces an outcome. Sometimes that outcome is good and the customer receives it. Sometimes the outcome is not so good. But whatever that outcome is, that's how we really understand what our service experience is. Now, in terms of IT services, there's no real difference here in terms of being able to deliver electricity to a household versus an IT service where we're delivering an enterprise application to a business. Really, the only difference here for IT services is that we've got a bit more focus on the technology and the IP and logic to ensure how that works. So the way in which we do that, if we look at it from a customer's perspective, they've still got an I want and an I need from the business. IT delivers those IT services to meet those needs. Now, we talked earlier about the technology components and the IP and logic having a predominant part here. As they come together, that can become complex. So the way in which we store those as components is in the CMDB, or the Configuration Management Database. We tie all those relationships together in logic to underpin the IT service. We record each one as what we call CIs, or configuration items, and we map the relationships, and they all sit within the CMDB. That gives us a level of confidence to know that our IT services can be provided, and we can understand exactly if something goes wrong with any of those IT services, that we know the components that sit underneath those, and we can undertake some root cause analysis, or we can restore service around any of those components. And the way in which we maintain and keep this CMDB up to date is we use the configuration management process. And this includes the management and planning of the configuration management database, which we're talking a little bit about today, identifying key CIs and their relationships, applying controls around who can move and update those CIs, and then the verification and audit, which really provides some additional value in terms of keeping our IT services understood and providing value. If you've found this video useful, then please click on the like button and leave your comments and any tips you may have for aligning services and the CMDB. Also, consider subscribing to Service Management Specialist channel. We're committed to helping digital business leaders become more successful with their improvement initiatives. Each week we share tips and tools and insights to help you to improve your processes, people and collaboration, and to help you drive out inefficiencies and improve your overall service experiences. Thanks for watching. See you next time.